Wow, yet another game finish, and look at the score. Paarlgem 61, Noordheuwel 10. Now, make no mistakes, we are talking here a team that's fourth in South Africa against a team that's 15.
Yeah.
Noordheuwel is an incredible, strong team, but it just shows you the huge gap between a good school and an absolutely world-class outfit. 61-10 difference.
Yeah, and take nothing away from Noordheuwel. They really tried their very best, but as the scoreline says, and that Paarlgem, they were just the better team on the day,
Yeah.
and it's going to be very exciting to see what they're going to deliver for the rest of the season, Steve.
Absolutely, absolutely. I think it's going to be great. I'm sure we can expect now. This is now the next game that's going to take place. Alpekar, this is a biggie. Alpekar, 11th in South Africa against Great College, 2nd in South Africa.
Yes.
What a
And
game.
remember, we've had interviews with both coaches.
Yes.
Right? And so this is going to be very difficult because we know Alpekar is a Gauteng team. So what do you think is going to happen in this
Well,
game,
we have to
Steve?
be honest. As I say, there is a difference between your top
Yes.
5 schools in South Africa and the rest of the country. So I still expect Great College to win by 25 to 30. But if Alpekar can be within reach, they can give Great College a good scare. But it's going to be all about how competitive can Alpekar be and how long can they keep up with Great College before the depth of Great College will take over and maybe
Yes.
maybe
And I think
accelerate.
the last 20 minutes of this game,
Always
that's
telling.
where Great College is going to be more effective than Alpekar. And that's going to be maybe the turning point in this game.
Absolutely. And now, if I can ask our cameraman to have a look at it, just to show us look at how packed the stadiums is. Absolutely jam packed for the last 2 games. There's not even a place for a mouse here, Mr. Louis.
No.
It's just absolutely insane. This is a school. This is not a provincial game. This is not an international game. This is a schoolboy game.
Yes.
It shows you the magic of South African rugby.
Yes.
About to come in and be like it and say, yes, it does. That is what it's all about. It's all about the gees, the spirit. And
Yeah.
as you can see, look how full the stands are and so on. It just shows you how much schoolboy rugby means to people and the promotion and how
Yes.
much they need and the effort that they put into it and all the time and so on. So, yeah, and anybody else who's out there close around in Pretoria area, come and support, guys. It's well worth it. It's lekker. It's a goeie gees. It's a good spirit. Lekker vibe and yeah, friendly. It's awesome. So please come and support the channel.
Yeah.
Peace.
Awesome. If you want to subscribe on our channel, it's Schoolboy Rugby Bonanza.
Schoolboy Rugby Bonanza, yes.
Subscribe. We're also on Instagram, Schoolboy Rugby Bonanza, as well as on Facebook, Schoolboy Rugby, and as well as on TikTok.
Yes, as
Please.
well as on TikTok.
Come and like our channel, your YouTube, our Instagram. Come and join our Facebook group. We would love to hear from you guys. Join the growing community.
Thank you.
Until then, sharp.